Hi everyone, Linda from Let's Talk Prepping. And I'd like to thank all of my subscribers for watching my videos. And I'd like to give you a free gift during this Christmas season. So what I have for you are 15 prepping checklists. You can download the PDF. You can print out page by page or the whole PDF. And what it's going to do is that if you're a beginner prepper, sometimes there's just so much going on that you don't know what to do, what you should be prepping. And this will help you. And if you're a more advanced prepper, sometimes there's just that one thing that you've forgotten. And as you go through the checklist, you can say, oh, I bet I need that. So I'd like to give it to you. Let me show you what it is. There's going to be a link in the description below, and I'm going to put it on the pinned comments. But also you're going to need the coupon code. So I'll give you that towards the end of the video, tell you how to get it, and I think you're going to really like it. I downloaded this one, and you can see what it's like and how you could just go through. This is the first aid checklist, and you can go through and check off what you have, what you need, write things down here. So this is what this one looks like. So let's go over and see how you can get it, what is exactly involved, and we'll go from there. Okay, here's the PDF you're going to get, and it's 15 prepping checklists. And the first one is a first aid checklist. And notice the orange is important. The sort of gray color is suggested and the white color optional. And you can go through here and just look and see, do I have all these things? And I know I don't have this because I've never even heard of it. Bongella. I'm going to have to look that one up. But over-the-counter medication, outdoors, miscellaneous. Then we get an emergency binder checklist and what you should put in your emergency binder, and a family entertainment checklist. And you have some things here, and you can add whatever you want down here. Your pet care checklist. So we go through here. And a survival books checklist. Now, I haven't checked out these survival books, so I'll have to look at some of them and just see if they're any good or not. But you could check them out. And how to winterize your car, the checklist. The bug out bag checklist, and what you should have in the bug out bag. Maybe there's something here that you've forgotten, so you just go through here and you can add more here. And again, there's still more, the bug out bag checklist. And a car emergency kit. I did a whole video on that. If I did it for a car winterizing, what happens, for the winter, what you should have in your car. But you can go through here and look and see what you need for your car emergency kit. A hurricane preparedness checklist. And you can change this to an ice storm checklist, things like that. And, I might add to this one or even to this one. I bought that chandelier, and I think that would be great in an emergency. Maybe you could heat water on it. Maybe you could keep warm. So I would probably add that here. And we have more on your hurricane preparedness checklist. A prepper food checklist. And it gives you some ideas of food, something you might not have thought of down here. Maybe instant tea. Maybe you didn't think of that. How long does that last? I'm not sure, but you could check that out. Again, I did a video on how long some different foods last, and you could go to a website and just put in the food, and it would tell you how long they would last. Survival skills checklist, very important. If just everything falls apart, what kind of skills are you going to need? What could you barter with? What skill could you sell and trade with? A disaster evacuation checklist, camping supplies checklist. That would maybe fall under bug out too, camping supplies. Emergency preparedness checklist. You know, does your home have all of these things? Your security, your safety, last minute shopping checklist. So these are the 15 checklists. So they're free. So how do you get it? Let me show you. Let's go over here to PayHip. And this is PayHip. And it says the 15 prepping checklist. And it goes through and tells you a little bit about it. And what you want to do is we're going to give it to you for free. So you would put buy now. And then you're going to check out. And you need an email. Now, if you don't, I'm not going to do anything with these emails. In fact, I don't even get them. But if you don't want to give an email, what you should be doing, you should have a throwaway email address, you know, a Yahoo or a Gmail one. Go over there and just make up a name and get an email address, and then you can put it in here. So let me put one in here. Now, I already used this one, so I don't know if it's going to work. Have a coupon. Add your coupon. Now, here's the coupon code. PREPPER with a capital P. P-R-E-P-P-E-R. PREPPER. Add coupon. And you're going to see I can download it right here now because it's free. So you don't have to pay anything. In fact, maybe you could even do it without putting in the email. Let me see if that works. I didn't even think of that. Let me go to another browser and try that. Okay, we're over here. And let me hit buy now. And let me just put in the coupon code. Okay, you got to enter the email address before you can put in the coupon code. So you do have to have an email address. And let me tell you about PayHip. PayHip is really neat because what it is, I put these 15 checklists, I uploaded them to PayHip, so everything comes from them. I'm not involved at all. Now, if you should buy it for $3.95, they take, I don't know, is it 10%, what percentage they take, but they do take a percentage and you wouldn't get all of it. But with this, you know, when it's free, they don't take anything. Now, I did put the code in, PREPPER, with a capital P, but they did ask me how many I wanted to give away, and I said unlimited. Now, I do have, you know, over 7,000 subscribers, so I don't know if they would give away 7,000 of these or not. But if you put it in and for some reason you can't get it, I will either add another discount code or just send me an email, and I will just send it to you via email, so we could do it that way. But I would imagine it said unlimited, that 7,000 shouldn't be bad. I doubt everybody's going to look for it. But here's everything that's in here, and I wish you all a Merry Christmas. I thank you so much for watching my videos. And if you haven't subscribed and you're going to download the checklist, it would be nice if you just subscribed before you downloaded the checklist, and then don't unsubscribe right away, but just stay subscribed for a while. Thank you very much. If you have any comments, let me know down below, and thank you again.